How to stop Snapchat from showing on call logs. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can stop Snapchat from showing on call logs. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're on an Android device and if you want to remove it, what you're gonna do is simply long press on that Snapchat application and get to the icon. After that, here you'll be finding different kind of options under that. So you're just gonna head over to the permission section first of all, and under permissions you're not gonna give the access to phone and contacts. Like if you have given access to phone, just tap on don't allow, and if you have given access to contacts permissions as well, go and tap on don't allow. After that, get back and here go under storage. After going under storage, just go to manage storage and you're just gonna delete everything, and your Snapchat's login, settings, personal info, app activity will be reset to back normal. And that's how you basically stop Snapchat calls from showing on call logs. So therefore, just follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.